How to add a video to Shopify homepage. Hi there, today we'll learn how to add video into your Shopify homepage for your online store. So for you to view your online store, what you can do is open your Shopify account and just simply click on your sales channel and click on the eye icon just on the right side of the word online store. So for us to begin, what we will do here is on the left side panel of the screen, just click on online store under sales channel and just click on themes. When you click on themes, you will be routed into this page and just click on customize. And you will be routed into this page where you will be able to do the edits on your Shopify homepage. From here, what you will be doing is that we will be adding a section and then we will add a video later on. So as you can see on my homepage for my Shopify store, it currently does not have any videos added. So what we do is click on add section here on the left side panel of the screen, and under theme section, just click on show more, and it will provide you an option where you will be able to add a video section, and just click on it and wait for it to load, since it will automatically be added into your Shopify homepage. And as you can see here, you can simply drag it as well by clicking on the right side of this section and then drag it up or down depending on where you want to place the video. So here, Shopify also adds a default video for you so that you will be able to have a glimpse on how it may look like once you've added a video into your homepage. So here what I'm doing is that I'm looking for a video that I can incorporate here into my Shopify online store. Either I will be creating, or whether it would be a video that you personally taken from your own product, or it could be a video that could relate into your Shopify online store. So here what I'm doing is just giving you an example or a demo on how to add a video into your Shopify store. So this is just an example that I'll incorporate since I currently don't have any videos for my own products. I'll just look for a video here on the internet. Here. So there's a lot of options that I can choose from here, but I guess I'll be choosing the woman standing on a beach towards boulders, since it matches the color of my website. So I'll just click on it, and then there's an option here. There's a blue button where you can click on download, and then just wait for it to load up. And then you can go back into your Shopify account where you are currently doing the edits. And then you will be able to change the video here, just right on the right side panel of the screen. Here, so there's also a link added into this video so that by the time where your customers will click on it, they will be redirected into the online store or another website that's relating into your product. So here we just click on select video, and then we have the option to upload a video. So we will be uploading the video that we just downloaded earlier. And we just need to wait for it to fully upload. Yes, and now that it's finally uploaded, what you can do is just click on done. And then it will automatically replace the default video that was added earlier. So what we can do here is we can also change the heading of the video as well. You can, on the left side or right side panel of the screen, you'll be able to see the word heading, and there's a text box that you can change the phrases, or you can add a code depending on what you'd like. You can also set the video on loop so that when it's getting played into your homepage, it will be played infinitely. Here you can also add a URL so that when your customers will click on the video, they will be routed into the product that you are wanting to link into the specific video if it's featured on that video. So we can try to play the video here. Make sure that it would fit perfectly. There. Once you're satisfied with it, you can go ahead and click on save. That's on the upper right corner of the website. And then you can go ahead and go to the online website or your online shop, and you can refresh it to make sure that the video has now been updated or added into your online store. And there you can see the video has now been added into your homepage, and you can play it here. You can even adjust the playback speed as well for the video. So when it's done, what I can do here is that I just want to emphasize the section by having the section different color as the first sections that we have. So what I'll do is I'll be looking for color scheme here. This is on this part of the screen, just right beside the video I'll set, and then I can choose from accent 1, I can choose from accent 2, background 1, background 2, or I can choose inverse. So for this, I'll be choosing background 2 since it is the part of the website that emphasizes the color for this specific section. And there, we can refresh the website to see if the color orange has now been added to the homepage, but I think it has not been fully saved yet. So you can go back into your editing page from Shopify. You need to make sure that you have successfully saved the changes that you have edited. Here, just click and save once again on the upper right corner every time you'll be making changes, so that by the time you will refresh your own online store from Shopify, it will automatically be updated. And there you can see the background 2 for the color scheme has now been added into your online store for your Shopify homepage. And that's basically how you'll be able to add a video on your Shopify homepage. And that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.